So here we'll consider the two cases. The first one is when x is greater than or equal to 0. We can replace the absolute value of x with simply x, and then go ahead and find the solutions in this scenario. And what I'll do is I'll move this term to the other side and factor out x. So we'll get 2 times x squared plus 1 minus 5x. We have a quadratic inside, and we'll factor this one out. So you'll see I need product of 4, so split this into minus 4x and minus x, because that will, you'll see, because these two, minus 4 times minus 1 is 4, which is the product of these two terms. So factor out the largest common terms. Yeah, make sure you kind of are very comfortable with this method that I'm using, and you can apply it to different quadratic equations. So this is the factorized form. The possible values of x are 0. This will give us half. And then 2. We're looking for integer values, which are 0 and 2. So we have 2 so far. We have to also consider the other case where x is negative. In that case, absolute value of x is minus x. And this would become that. And I'll do the same thing. Actually, I'll move this to the other side. It doesn't really matter, but I just like to keep things with positive sign. Again, I'll factor out the x, and similarly we'll get a quadratic inside. And then again, you'll see to factor this, we just have to split it as 4x and x. So make sure you can do this repeatedly in a smooth way. And now I'll be pulling out the x plus 2 because that piece is common. So eventually this factors out to 2x plus 1 times x plus 2. And here our solutions are 0, which of course, we consider that, so we can ignore this. Minus half, this is not an integer. X is minus 2. That's an integer and also satisfies this condition. You have to always check that. So we have one more here. So we have a total of 2 and 1, 3 solutions.